Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Dreams Garage. Today we're going to fix a little problem with my Trans Am. It's been happening for about a year now. I've just been lazy, and this is the problem that we're going to work on. So it's a common problem with the Firebirds, Corvettes, third gens with the flip-up headlights. They put plastic gears in them. Some of the Corvettes wasn't as much of an issue, but I bought a bronze gear kit. It was about $100 to fix both headlights. So today we're going to rip them out and we'll show you what the problem is in there. So right here is just a way to show you guys what's happening. There's a plastic gear in this headlight motor, and when it turns, you can see it's popping off the gear down there. Right now I have it so my headlights still actually come up. So I have headlights at night and everything. But what we're going to do, I'm going to turn the headlights on, and then we're going to pull the fuses out of the headlight motors so we can shut everything back off and the motors will stay up on their own. Alright, first step, we're going to pull out these 3 screws. One, there's a second one there, and a third one right down here. So, middle screw is already out. We're going to take out the 2 side ones, and then we can pull this plastic cover off the headlights, just like changing a bulb in one of these things. So. Alright, we got the screws out, and then this fiberglass plastic piece here, it's plastic, not fiberglass, just pulls right out. And you can look down in here, you can see our motor. There's 3 nuts, well, 3 bolts that hold it on, 1, 2, and then there's another one kind of hidden back here. So we're going to pull those out, unclip the wiring harness. It's got a body clip that clips it up in right there, and then we'll be ready to pull the headlight motor out. Alright guys. Well, we got the headlight motor out of the car finally, and this is what you end up with. Right here is where the 3 bolts that hold everything in are, and then your arm has a nut, holds on that motor. This is your harness. There's that body clip I was telling you all about, and then these 2 lines run up to your high beam and your low beam for each side. So what we're going to do now, we got to pry this back cover here off. We're going to take 2 screwdrivers and just get it off. Included in the kit with the bronze gear and everything. Here's that shiny $50 gear. Got some new silicone, and they supplied urethane to put it back together. I've seen people use zip ties to hold them back together, and I'm not going to do that to my car. So stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like apart. Alright guys, got the headlight motor apart here. This is a piece that comes off. My clip broke, but shouldn't be a big deal, so we got the glue to hold her all back together. Looks pretty nasty in here, so we're going to pull this piece out. So if Phil will hold my camera here. Let's look at our gear. There's a broken tooth. Now honestly, it doesn't look as bad as I figured. I've seen a lot worse, but my housing was a little loose, so I think it was just running off the side of the gear, and right there you can see where it was starting to miss. But really, I don't drive the car that much, so the headlights really didn't get used. So we're going to clean her up, and I'm going to soak this guy in some nutcracker and fill her with silicone and get back on the road. Alright guys, we got the passenger side headlight all back together, glued up. Took about 45 minutes start to finish for one headlight, and I decided to do one at a time right now in case it took a while, but here's the results. No up and down when you hit the key. No more growling. That's what we're after. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the right headlight, or the left headlight, driver's side. It's the same way. So 3 bolts, a nut for the arm, and it'll come right out. Thanks guys. Hey guys, just buttoned everything up. Driver's side fought us a little bit more, but we got her figured out. I need to buy a new stop for the up position because it was getting a little finicky there for a little bit, but well, not finicky, it just sits up a little higher than the other side, and the stops wore out on her. But tune in next week and see what else we have in store for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit the bell.